All right, this is day 2 of the thrash session. So we didn't video much today. Tried to get as much done as we could in the morning before it got really hot and the sun got to blasting over here. And so I wasn't real worried about videoing at that point. I did get quite a bit done today. Tomorrow, it should be a short day, unless something goes sideways, which at this point we're just going to kind of expect because, you know, race car. Hang on a minute. So there it is. It's in the car. Let's see. So all we have left is plug wires. We got to put an end on the distributor we're going to use. One of the wire, the plug-in where it plugs into the MSD box is messed up, so we got to fix that. So we got plug wires, put the valve covers on all the way. They're just sitting on there right now. Starter, torque converter bolts, drop the distributor in, water, well, prime it first and then drop the distributor in, water, fire it up, set the timing, make sure it doesn't have water leak out of every crevice on the motor, which is highly probable. Maybe I'll talk about that someday. Let's see, what else? Check transmission fluid, make sure it don't leak now. And I think that's it. So I did change converters. Put an old ATI that I bought used in it. It worked pretty good behind a mild motor. The converter that was in the car was built for a foot brake car, and I don't know if that makes any difference or not, but hey, the motor was out, converter was right there. We might as well change it. The converter that was originally in the car started to leak, the one that worked the best, and I had that other converter, the one from the foot brake car, so I thought, hey, why not use it? So I put it in. Lights struggled. I still think it's all me, but you know, at this point, why not change it if we've got it out? It's an ATI nitrous converter, so I've never made enough power to ever hurt it. I'm kind of tired. It's about the right time of the day right now to work on it, but I've been out here for a fair amount today. Should be a short day tomorrow, hopefully. We already put oil in it. We need to prime it. We bought a bottle of head gasket fix sealant in case it decides it wants to leak water out of every crevice between the head and the block, since it has a solid copper gasket in it. I've never used one of them before. From what I've heard, they're prone to leak. Yay. So we may just dump that stuff in right off the bat and just, you know, try to bypass it being an issue. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? Nothing that I know of. But so there's that. I'm gonna go in, take a shower, rest, get up in the morning, come out, fix my distributor, prime this thing, see if it'll make some noise. I'll video that so that you can see it backfire through the carburetor and do all that fun stuff. Nah, it shouldn't do that. If I can find number 1, it'll be all right. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was as short as I can make them, so we'll talk to you tomorrow.